just your left ear. That's a whole different song. All right, today I'm checking out Soul Coffin. I'm listening to the song Lazy Bones. Let's get into it. Yeah, that's a vibe. Wait, I feel like I'm vibing harder than the song really is. It's really that dun 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 dun, which might actually just be in one ear. And then you got the rest of the music, but that little dun 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 dun, that's like the icing on the cake. And then the vocals are just lazy bones. I don't know. I don't know how you describe that. His voice is deep, but it sounds deep, but maybe a little bit of stuffiness, especially in the chorus when he's just hitting you with the lazy bones like that. Deep and stuffy for sure. Now, is this really, is the sound that dun 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 dun? That sounds like it's just in my right ear. I gotta investigate this.
Lazy bones.
Oh, that's a different song with just your left ear. That's a whole different song.
When all the noise has left your head, well, someday you rise off the bed, and I'll be there to lift you, lazy bones. Lazy bones.
Definitely a vibe song. I read the lyrics, every single word, and I don't know. I think he had a girl whose nickname was Lazy Bones, and he was really into her. That's what I think it was. But it's a little bit like to me of a metaphorical love song. Like really? Like this part when he's like, well, someday you rise off the bed and I'll be there to lift you, lazy bones. He's probably not literally talking about lifting her off the bed when she's ready to get her lazy butt up off the bed. You know what I mean? I think it was a love song, but I think metaphorical. So I can't just read these literally and be like, this is what the song is about. No, it's not that, but for 100%, a little vibey metaphorical love song. Lazy Bones, that's a cool sounding nickname, but I don't know if I would want that nickname to be the nickname for my girl. You know what I mean? Lazy Bones? I don't know. It sounds like a skinny, depressed, bony chick or something. Like you're real thin and you're depressed, so you just lay in bed all day, probably play video games and just scroll on your phone or something.
I don't know. Tell me, man, what do you know? What do you know? Me and my boys on the road. We to go. She told me, boy, you to go. Like I don't know.